Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install any mods on SKLauncher. So open up your SKLauncher, and after that you of course need to go ahead and download mods. So I'm just going to go to the browser and write down Minecraft mods, and I'm going to choose CurseForge. From here I'm going to choose Minecraft mods, and I'm going to choose mod packs. So what you need to do now is press download on any mod you want, and just save it to your PC. After that, you will see here a zip folder. You want to go ahead, press on Installations Manager on SKLauncher and press Import Mod Pack. Then you want to go ahead and locate it, open it, and now as you can see, it will start installing the mod pack. Now another thing you can do is press right there on Installations Manager, press on Mod Packs. And as you can see, this is for CurseForge or from mod rent. So you can go ahead and choose any of those. And from here, you can go ahead and search for your mods and just simply install it from here. If this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.